Class 9th Geography, Chapter Earth as a Planet, Part 2. Proofs of the Earth's shape. There are a number of reasons for the belief that the Earth is spherical. All celestial bodies are spherical. Spheres are the only geometrical shapes that are circular in outline. Sun, Moon and all the other celestial bodies appear to have circular outline. Since Earth too belongs to the same system, there is no reason why Earth should be an exception. Circumnavigation of the Earth. Time and again people traveling round the world in different directions came back to the starting point. Line of visibility increases with height. An observer standing on a cliff sees first the mast of the approaching ship, then its funnel, and lastly the hull. If Earth were flat, he would have seen the whole ship at once. Sunrise and sunset. If Earth were flat, the sun would rise and set at the same time for all the people in the world. But the time varies all over the world. This is due to round shape of the Earth. Horizon is circular. As viewed from the deck of a ship, the horizon appears to be circular in shape. The Earth's surface is curved. Surveyors, when driving poles of the same size into the ground, would find the central pole projecting slightly above the other two due to the curvature of the Earth. If the Earth were flat, all the poles would have the same horizontal level. Lunar eclipse. The shadow cast by the Earth on the Moon during lunar eclipse is always circular. This proves that the shape of the Earth is spherical. Aerial photographs. The aerial photographs of the Earth sent by artificial satellites and various spacecrafts clearly show the curvature of the Earth's surface. Picture of the Earth taken from the surface of the Moon by the astronauts clearly proves the sphericity of the Earth. Earth as the home of humankind and conditions that exist here. The Earth is the 5th largest planet and the 3rd nearest to the Sun. It is a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system where life is known to exist. Several favorable conditions that promote life on Earth are as follows. Distribution of land and water. The blue planet Earth justifies the name given to it, as this is the only planet where there is more than twice as much water, 71%, as land, 29%. Thus the distribution of land and water is uneven. In the northern hemisphere, the areas of land and water are nearly equal, whereas in southern hemisphere, there is nearly 15 times as much water as land. The distribution of land and water. There is an antipodal arrangement of land and water on directly opposite side of the Earth. If there is land in one part of the globe, then there is water opposite to it on the other side of the Earth. Even the North Polar Ocean is opposite to the Antarctic landmass. The greatest land masses form an almost complete girdle in the northern hemisphere. The land masses are narrowest in the southern hemisphere. The Antarctic landmass has 3 protruding areas, one extending towards South America, a second towards South Africa, and a third towards Australia. Here ends the second part of this chapter.